Hey, what's up? It's Phil from Easy Tutorials, and let me show you quickly how to download and install Mozilla Thunderbird to your PC. To do that, just type in Mozilla Thunderbird and go to the official thunderbird.net website. This is the official website. Don't download from anywhere else. It's a scam. Just go with official. Click free download, just save it, just start the installation process. We can go with the standard or we can go with the custom. Let's standard, it's a standard, and the custom, let's check it out what it's custom. Destination folder, okay, it's okay. Maintenance service, it's okay. And we want the icon to be on desktop in the start menu, okay. And use the Thunderbird as my default mail application. You can always enable this or disable this if you want. Click and install and let's launch it. Or here's just type in your name and some mail address, for example, and type in some password. Continue. After that, you can see that configuration found in Mozilla ISP database. Click done. And over here you can log in into your Google and set other things up if you want. And this is it. Thanks for watching and have a nice day. Bye bye.